In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat error create file failed with 32. So first thing you can try is when you open your game here. So here's Epic Games. So when you open your game, first thing you can try is to verify the files. So you can do this by clicking on the three dots, manage, and then here you'll see verify files. So if you try this and this doesn't fix your issue, then you can try another thing, which is to delete easy anti-cheat and reinstall it. So you can basically search for it here and then just delete it, and then after that you can go here and completely just reinstall it from the beginning. Okay, so actually you don't have to go and manually install it here. You can actually install it just by opening a game and running it. So when you run a game, the next thing you'll be seeing is a prompt that will tell you to install easy anti-cheat. And if you don't know where easy anti-cheat is normally located, then it's located in this PC, C drive, and here you'll see program file x64. Now here you should be able to see easy anti-cheat folder here, and you'll simply open it, and this is where you'll see the setup. But even an easier way is to simply just open a game, run it normally, and the second you run it, you will be prompted to download and install easy anti-cheat, and you basically will have your issue fixed, and that's it.